Here you go.
Oh, hi. My name's Aaron.
Should we do this? Okay. Do it again.
Stop it.
No.
I'm gonna review stuff and talk about entertainment. Like Scream 3. I'm gonna do a review of that sometime. And this game too. And Scream 3. Starring David Arquette. And Neve Campbell. I don't review books. I just like to read them.
I can't see it.
I think we're done here.